Yes, it's very hard to talk about. Yeah, the letting people know is the hardest part, you know, because they spent their, some people come every year.
Nancy Redding and her husband own Redding Farm, and this year was supposed to be the 10th anniversary of the Fall Maze.
We were going to do movies, and we had our usual bands playing, and we had a lot of contests that we were going to do.
But the celebration is a disaster. The corn-like sorghum plants leveled. Redding and her husband were in shock.
It looked like a tornado had hit it, and he came in and asked me if a tornado had come, and I told him, I didn't think so.
It wasn't a tornado, rather a storm of aphids.
There's thousands just on one leaf, and so you can imagine, you know, a 38-acre maze, how many there is out there.
The little white bugs eating everything in their path, leaving behind withered stalks in their wake. Ladybugs usually arrive right behind the aphids and eat them, keeping the pests from spreading. But this year, those ladybugs came too late.
Tears, just my husband's voice, kind of when he came in to tell me, it was just so devastating to me just to hear how he felt.
The Reddings say they had no choice but to close down the maze. They are already out $10,000. No hay rides, no customers, and no income. But the hardest part is letting people know.
Disappointment already. They've already stated, you know, some has never been and wanted that this year they were going to be able to come. It was just kind of devastating to them too.
In Chickasha, Ian Smith, Oklahoma's News 4.